All right, so we're here at the Ring booth. They are touting their new home security system. They are doing professionally monitored home security now. But let's go inside and take a look. What else is on offer from Ring right now?
So yesterday we launched our new indoor-outdoor camera called the Ring Stick-Up Cam.
Stick-up cam, like give me your money?
So it's a camera that you mount outside of your house. You just stick it up. It's very easy to install. But this new version is an indoor or outdoor camera, so you can mount it inside or outside your house.
Let's go take a look at it. So we got an indoor camera.
So this can be mounted thanks to the flexible mounting bracket indoors or outdoors. So if you do want to install it like under an awning or a garage, you can do that too thanks to the bracket. And this has 4 power options. It has a Ethernet option. It has Wi-Fi option. It has an internal battery you can power it off of, or a solar panel.
Perfect. What else you got for me?
I also have the Ring Alarm, which is our professionally monitored home security system. This is the hub, and then we have contact sensors on the doors. We have a keypad that you can use, motion sensors, and that's a totally modular home security system that you can mount in your house.
Professional monitoring, is that new to Ring?
It is. So if someone breaks into your home and you have the subscription, it'll call the dispatcher and they'll dispatch the police. I think that's it. Yeah, it's an exciting year for us this year. We're going to try and continue reinventing the way you guys look at home security, and in an affordable way.
Perfect. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate your help.
Thank you.
So we've done a Ring review previously. We know our way around the doorbells, things like this, but it's good to know that they are offering something else like professional monitoring. Unfortunately, I do think that the design on that indoor camera may be a little bit clunky, but let's see what they can do with it going forward. We'll keep an eye on them. Let us know what you think in the comments below, guys. Thanks for watching.